Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Most of us start our day with a cup of joe. Also, a lot of us will continue drinking coffee throughout the day. I love my coffee, but when it's hot outside, having a hot cup might be too much, unless I have it cold. In today's episode, I'll show you how to prepare Vietnamese iced coffee. This beverage is just fabulous. I make mine strong with just enough sweetness to mellow it down. After trying it, this cold beverage will become your favorite summer coffee. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a 2-cup mason jar or a mug, we'll spoon some sweetened condensed milk. For 1 cup of iced coffee, I put 2 tablespoons, but I also use Vietnamese coffee grinds, which are stronger. If you prefer sweeter or less, adjust to your liking. So now I'll show you how to make it with a fin. First, we'll place a saucer that comes with it. Then we'll put the brewing chamber on top. We'll scoop a heaping spoon of coffee into that little container and gently shake it so the grinds are evenly distributed before inserting the press. Next, we'll pour just a little bit of boiling water, enough to cover the bottom, and let the coffee grinds absorb it. When there's no water left, we'll pour the water all the way up to the rim, and then place the lid. We'll let the coffee brew, which should take about 5 to 6 minutes. When it's done, we'll remove the fin, discard the grinds, and stir the coffee mixture very well until the condensed milk is blended. Next, what we'll do is to pour the coffee mixture into a tall glass filled with ice cubes. And here's the way to make this refreshing beverage using a fin. Now, let's do it with a French press. We'll scoop the coffee grinds into the carafe. Then we'll pour in about 1 cup of boiling water. We'll insert the press, but we're not gonna press it yet. We'll let the coffee and water sit for 3 minutes. That will give a chance to blend together. Meanwhile, we'll add the sweetened condensed milk in a tall glass. Now, after a few minutes that the coffee and water has been sitting, we'll gently push down on the press and let it stand for a couple minutes. 2 minutes later, we'll pour the coffee in the glass and stir very well until the milk is well blended. We'll add a few ice cubes to the coffee and we're done. And my friends, this is our Vietnamese iced coffee. Smooth, creamy, and refreshing, this is just fabulous to have on a hot summer day. This tasty beverage is a lot like the one you can get at a famous Canadian coffee shop, but it's even better because now you can make it at home. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!